In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PS5 to the internet using your phone, so even if your home network is down, you can still play online games, stream, and use all your PS5 features. Before we start, you can also check out the NordVPN link in the description. It's a great VPN that works on PS5, mobile, PC, and smart TVs, keeping your connection private, secure, and fast, while gaming or streaming from anywhere. First, on your phone, open Settings, and go to Cellular or Mobile Data. From here, look for Personal Hotspot, or Mobile Hotspot, and turn it on. Make sure to allow others to join the hotspot. This allows your PS5 to detect it as an available network. Next, check your hotspot settings. Make sure the hotspot has a secure password. You'll need this password to connect your PS5. If you haven't set one yet, take a moment to create a strong but easy to remember password. On iPhone, you can also toggle Maximize Compatibility if your hotspot struggles to connect. This can help older devices detect the hotspot more reliably. Now it's time to go to your PS5. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings, then navigate to Network. From here, select Set up Internet Connection. You'll see a list of available networks. Your phone's hotspot should appear here. Select your phone hotspot and enter the password you set earlier. Press OK, and your PS5 will start connecting. You'll see a progress screen as it tries to authenticate the connection. Once connected, your PS5 is online. You can now launch online games, access streaming apps, and use all internet-dependent features. The connection may be slightly slower than a standard home Wi-Fi router, but it's fully functional for gaming and streaming when no other network is available. If you want even better stability, you can move your phone closer to your PS5 or make sure no other devices are heavily using the hotspot bandwidth at the same time. For Android users, there are a few extra steps to optimize the connection. Hold down your hotspot button, press Configure, select Range, and choose 5 GHz. This ensures faster speeds and a more stable connection for your PS5. Then select the hotspot on your PS5, enter the password, and connect as before. A bonus tip: while using your phone hotspot, a VPN like NordVPN can add extra security. NordVPN encrypts your connection, hides your IP, and allows you to safely access content or apps that might be restricted in certain countries. It's perfect for gaming or streaming on PS5, mobile, and all your devices. So that's exactly how to connect your PS5 to the internet using your phone hotspot. Turn on your hotspot, set a password, connect from your PS5, and you're ready to go online, anywhere you travel. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN. It's a simple, safe way to stay secure while gaming or streaming, using your phone's internet.